So see, there's nice color in those mushrooms, and that's the color you want when you're cooking mushrooms. Otherwise, it becomes, if you have too much water content in your mushrooms and you're doing sandwiches with it, the flavor tends to be not as intense. So you can shut off the flame right now and just let the hot oil crisp with the bacon. And what you can do is add a little bit more bacon fat into your mushrooms. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, so mushrooms are pretty much almost done. My bacon is pretty much done. So bacon, got your mushrooms. Alright, so that's pretty much ready. And then we're ready to roll, make some sandwiches. So alright. So now putting together the sandwich. What you can do is get your cheese. Cut it into, you don't want to cut it too thin. You want to cut it thick enough so that it gets gooey and it melts and it runs all over.
Does it have to be cheddar cheese?
Doesn't have to be cheddar. Mozzarella be nice. Any kind of semi-hard to hard cheese is good. So I'm a big fan of cheddar, so anything cheddar is better. Alright, so you have your cheddar. Your strips of bacon. This is for one person, by the way.
It's quite a large portion for one person.
Oh no, it's for one large portion, one large hangover portion. So throw your mushrooms in. So it's gonna look like a lot, but once everything is all set, let's just throw everything in there. Let's make a massive grilled cheese. So take your other slice of bread. What you want to do is pack it here, and then take your butter.
And this is just regular butter?
Regular unsalted butter. So you want to smear it on the top. So what you want to do is try to get it nice and even all around. Alright. Some foil. So this is key. So what you want to do is flip it the other side, and butter the other side now.
And what does the butter help to do?
It helps to brown the toast nicely, and keeps it, just lends flavor to it. Just a flavorless piece of bread or something. But so have your toast. What you want to do is you want to wrap it, cover it up. Alright, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. So
is the aluminium foil a must to wrap the sandwich?
For this one, it's a must. And then so, here's the best part now. Best and easiest part. Get your pan hot. your pan nice and hot. If you can, if you have an extra pan or an extra weight or whatever it is, stick it right on there. And what you want to do is put weight on it. The more weight, the better. And then if you have a sandwich press, now is the best time to just use a sandwich press. But since I don't have a sandwich press, but I got a lot of mixing bowls, I can just stack that on top, just let it sit. And so you normally want to do it for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And then you can take that, flip it to the other side, and then, you know, when it's done, take it out. You can always, if you're not too sure, unwrap the foil, take a peek at it, and then see if the toast is nice and brown. And then if it is, then your sandwich should be ready. So it's so you can do it basically.